It was late August. It was late August on the island, so the Indians were working hard usually. But sometimes the truck gets buckled, so that's why we need Sandy the web beer and ask him other crazy. I said he go at 50 stuff. I said we go lift it back onto the line. About buckle truck and even pay for all the songs. See, it was late August. Get all that stuff. That would pay me. And I said we go lift it back to the tracks. Sometimes when the work get over crazy for Sydney, she will have up the big maintenance of her overhaul. She will be at the first. They were built by the me-century. The other in the office, we get to say hi to her. It begins at bigger, but that way end. You
hear the tea.
Play her whistle. I wonder who that anything. I don't fall for himself, but he wasn't no from lawn. Victor, you better time. Hi, be your friend. Great. Every time to say on the blueberry where easier get to back on shoulder. I bet. So what are you doing here this time? I am visit here for a week. The parrot got told to help with some minutes because him the buckle truck happy almost every day. I'm not happy to the blueberry well. Interesting. Now back go now.
Whether it be drink.
There, oh boy, ready to go. And Victor left for the says. Another day, Victor was sent to the little water with Lola, who had also visited him. And he popped away to collect to the little water. While he was popping down the line, he saw a duck. And he was hunting Sandy toward the side to see good mentally before the big day tomorrow. But and Sandy, but what? As he saw Dandy, he there really. Sandy, you're not happy with this dancing. Well, then I'm going to walk them way. Shut it! Sandy said, shut up, ducky. One bit as he burst all into some such a fox. He was you do something. He begged. Now, let's get it. Ow, don't bop her. Shut up. Come on. More easy talk. I know how to take this. Next, I will take the badge to Milford. We said, yeah, after my something. I didn't everybody. Sorry, you block box starter. You did that to crap anyway. No one will use the cattle here anyway. For the last time, you can say sorry, but it got don't mean. And he popped away towards you. Sandy because it's taken, but I get to make for you. Every day, the two steps they are to make for you. It's a damn fun time for the trucks for 20 but he did film the truck 20 by the time he got to the head. Yeah, I do it on. Oh no. Huh? With the tires are out of control. Oh, I do a tell. Whoa! Goodness gracious. Meanwhile, Sandy and Asma was out with bed with her with. Wait, Sandy! Hey, Asma, Sandy! You know that he's a queen! Better know what to stop. Sandy bear data as he's about that. Luckily, nobody hurt, but Victor was hurt, and the trucks had badly repaired everyone. He ran off the tracks and they hurt her by the thing. Asma was on her for the incident, but the trucks were for memories. Daddy wanna know what happened. A lucky truck of the bad trucks. I couldn't stop and I crashed on the line. She can be so for all of us. What happened? We did. Never I'll say what happened with the taxi. Well, so I know you've been with bad folks for a while now. Yes, look at the metal cold. I will so. I said, so the witness it's all there. Yeah, you did me it. It's very good to hear. But Victor, I'm ready for you. You matter. You'll be out for 2 weeks. That's Brian with he was there by Queen, and he soon cleared out the bucket. While Edward took Victor to the theme box. By then, it was perfect time for a pause. Sandy, so sorry for needing gratitude. Hello, my Victor. You didn't. What? We're not at the work, guys. Sandy, that way. I took all your supper. I will. Because we got Andy to take to. Soon Sandy sent Victor to the work with Victor. Hello, come on. So Sandy, you're back for work early. Why are you in the fire? Victor attacked me. Apparently, hey, I live in there. Oh, that would be no problem for a character facing at the ground. God bet you that will about to pack that I'll be waiting for the man. Oh, but the hook. One moment, but cabin here. Yeah, you got a bit here. Like, what the? I forgot to say here. Well, nope. Yeah, so told you that before. Sorry. Anyway, bye. Bye, Peter. Bye, Peter. Next you later. Bye, Sandy. Better Captain Banky. Yes, that was took along for 3 weeks. But I let Peter the taxi return to service. Here you go, Peter. The taxi, you're back. Thank you, too. Peter knew where he will overdo. While he was away, when he forgot with the vehicle, we added to the don't have all the way with the bluebell where we at top or outside Westy to be very near a decade ago. I said, probably for who we see ticket to Quabbie Gate. So, Sadie, how you feel? Feel great. but I might take a play at the wall. I see. But thanks for helping me though. That's right. Daddy knows you can't let it behind. We can't let that decide. Thus, a nigger and good banking.
Tom. Oh, come on, Molly. Don't do that.